Does anyone know what DFV's up to nowadays? Probably enjoying being rich and selling cover calls to suppress GME's price. DFV said he's not a long-term holder. He probably sold long ago. I thought the opposite of that was true. He's probably yielding so fucking much selling calls to the baggies. Yeah. Yeah, the yields still aren't that bad. From Roaring Kitty, Investment Style Part 1 of 2 Overview. My holding period ranges from 3 to 24 months. Is that helpful for anybody? The point I'm trying to convey there, yeah, I get it. I get what you're saying. I mean, back around the time people presumed that he would have sold, yields on weekly GME calls were like 12 to 15%. I probably bought so many of DFV's weeklies in 2021. The fucking options premiums were ridiculous. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ, turd. What is wrong with these idiots? Like, when the fuck did collective bargaining on extinguished shares begin? No one did this shit with Revlon. Everyone was like, ah, fuck, my shares are blown up. We didn't need a whole conspiracy theory. I sent you an even better screen cap? That shit's just depressing, man. Oh, Jesus Christ. What a fucking dipshit. So turd is J-Roll trying to explain to all of his paid subscribers why he's selling them dealer gamma exposure as a moving average, or is he trying to explain why their shares aren't extinguished? I'm blocked and I can't listen. I'm sorry, turd. It's all part of the triple oscillating boom trigger, Gherk. Just be patient. Remember when he was trying to pitch Anemoy to everyone? What a fucking shill. Now Peruvian bulls picking stocks. He can't even write a coherent fucking paper. And then he's taken that incoherent fucking mess and published it as a book. These people are disgusting. I fucking hate Finfluencers. I just sent you some god tier TA. Oh, gross. Go publish it on Superstock. You're starting a podcast where you bring on financial streamers as guests and just expose them for being frauds. They expose themselves as frauds every day. It's not like their veil is isn't transparent, right? Like they just say stupid shit. Everything they post is like clickbait fucking nonsense with zero diligence done. Like I get it, you're not a financial advisor, right? But you should still be providing like information and data that is of value so people can make informed decisions instead of just trying to get more clicks and subscribers. What's this compassion and ethics of which you speak? I don't know. That's not how social media works, Dad. Only the masturbators succeed. Well, then me and JFresh will continue our lambasting of misinformation and bullshit. And people will be like, oh no, why is he attacking my favorite person? James Rowland's a noble scam artist, and you're just a hater. Whatever. Nothing beats that fool that threw shade at you because you were too advanced for him. I thought that one was pretty funny. I left it alone because I felt like he said far more than I could have ever responded with. Dude just roasted himself. Yeah. The most empathetic I ever saw you was when you co-streamed that American flag face dude. The pity you had for this dude was all over your face and how irrational he was. I don't really care about the popularity contest, but it really pisses me off when there's like people out there like me and JFresh and Dork and Turd and other guys that have kind of stopped, but that really do try to provide retail with like actionable and well researched information, right? Like really try to give retail a leg up in a market where everything is working against them. And then you have people that are just promoting like conspiracy and bullshit for the sake of their own bank accounts. And fuck them. They are actually scum. All of them. Looking back at those guest stream appearances were all pretty cringe. But I found you through your appearance on Houston Wade. So thankful you did a few of them. I'd do more, but I would honestly, I would do more because if nothing else, it shows people that the person, like, even if they never follow me or even interested in this shit, it shows people kind of how uninformed the person that they're getting information from is. That was Roland. Yeah, the plagiarist. He plagiarized my DD on Superstonk for like an entire year. I think he got banned from there, and then he went and like posted a bunch of shit to get attention on Wall Street Bets, and I'm pretty sure he got banned from there. And then he turned to the AMC and BBYRQ crowds And I'm sure he'll get lambasted by them as well because he doesn't know what the he's doing. I still have like an email from him where he's like, "Oh my god, I learned everything I knew about the markets from you. You're so cool, man. I didn't mean to plagiarize you. My friend did it. It totally wasn't me, mom." And he's charging people like obscene fees for his analysis, but he's not qualified, right? And don't get me wrong, there's a lot of people out there that can do analysis that aren't like certified professionals, right? But it's I mean, half of his fucking picks are just pickles picks because he's probably a fucking billionaire. And then the rest are like meme stock bullshit based on dealer gamma exposure, which is all that Voex is. Voex is like $100 a month monthly subscription. So you can see dealer positioning from his private set of fucking data, right? Which is just calculations done on CBOE data, right? And it's done once a day, so he's not even paying that much for the actual data he's providing. And then it's like it's fucking dealer gamma exposure, and then he's dividing it by something, volume or fucking whatever nonsense to create a moving average, right? And then he's like, "Oh my god, gamma exposure is negative, it's gonna squeeze down." Like, that's not fucking insightful. And people are paying hundreds of dollars a month to get that fucking bullshit newsletter, which and all of it is just it's just free data passed through a filter and handed off to the public. That's money people could be gambling on zero DTEs, dork. Real money that they worked for to get fed bias confirming bullshit and lies. Pickle Jar members are paying $100 a month to shitpost and pigeon whale chat, but I don't fucking lie about it. It's more profitable to be a scammer than an actual trader. It's really not, right? Because the scam thing doesn't work. It's not, there's no longevity. Like, you can only scam people for a little bit of time, and then people are like, that guy's full of shit, right? And then you can't scam people anymore. Eventually, once enough people follow you, they will realize that you're full of shit, right? And then you no longer have a career doing that anymore. Like, Elliott Wave guy is selling people analysis, and the guy was a YouTube like prank, like he had like a YouTube prank channel before he learned fucking Elliott Wave. Like, get the fuck out of here. I tell everyone that'll listen, what you have done for the retail investor has never been done before. It's unprecedented. Retail has a quant team. Thank you. Thanks, Skier. That's the thing. Selling Elliott Wave analysis is his biggest prank yet. No shit. In light of your rant, why are you scamming me? Happy 25 months of me procrastinating and clicking a button to downgrade. Elliott Waves rule. You're a shill. I love you. Thanks, Dave. I appreciate it, man.